Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am doing a weekend clean with me. So if you need to get some things done, this video goes for around 18 minutes, so let's do it together. So today I'm starting in the laundry. I need to clean the laundry trough and put some things away. I also need to put the dish that's in there in the dishwasher and also clean out the bucket. Our dog was sick last night and it got all over the Kong, and we also used the bucket to clean up the sick. So all that needs to be disinfected, so I'm going to get that done. I also am going to clean the shelf above me there and also the top of the dryer because I haven't done that since we moved in about 3 months ago, so it's been a while. And I'm also going to do the front of the washer and dryer and also the front of the trough.
Oh, no, no. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe, but still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody, I need somebody to love. I need somebody, I need somebody. Give me somebody, somebody to love. You make me nervous. I think I might be hooked on you. All of the things you said to me, it seems like you like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. You make me anxious. I think I might be stuck on you. I love the things you did for me. It seems like you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything, 'cause you're stuck on my mind. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, just sit with me, talking through the night into the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think you were meant to be with me, talking to the night into the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Wake me up, I'm getting tired of sleep. Think I've had enough. I've been gone, but haven't done much healing. It's pretty clear to me. Kinda strange how I can take a beat from my better self. It's like no one else even really.
In the bathroom, I'm just going to do a general clean. I'm just going to spray down the vanity with a disinfecting cleaner I made myself. It's basically just the Pino Clean concentrate. It's about 2 or 3 drops in the bottle and the rest is water, and that's it. And I'm also going to use the e-cloths to do the window, or the mirror should I say, in the bathroom. I find these are really, really good. They do a really good job inside, so I'm really happy.
But I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention. Wide awake and I'm too scared away for a better chance at a great romance, and I'm just not getting any braver. 'Cause nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way when my map is torn up. Give me a light when my torch is blown out. Let me escape from my hideaway. I give up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention.
In the dining room, I'm just opening the curtains. I'm also going to put the towels away, which have been sitting there for way too long. I'm going to give the table and the chairs a quick wipe down with the disinfecting spray that I used in the bathroom and the laundry. So on the weekend, what do you guys like to do? I know some people forget about cleaning and just relax and have time with their family, or do you do like your major deep cleaning on the weekend? Leave it in the comments down below. I tend to try and do anything that needs doing, and maybe catch up on things that haven't gotten done, like putting laundry away that should have been put away.
Waking up in my bed, you're still stuck in my head. I'm not even hungover. I wanna call your phone, tell you what you did wrong, then ask you to come over. Not very good with decisions, know what's right, but I don't listen. I don't. And I complain and dismiss it, and I keep on reminiscing. I know, baby, you're bad.
In the living room, I'm going to open the curtains and let light in because I love having a light-filled room. I'm also going to wipe down the little table thing between the two chairs. It's actually a 3-seater couch, but the middle part folds down, and hubby and I use that all the time to put our drinks and snacks and remotes and all that on, so that always needs a wipe down. I'm using the same disinfecting spray. It's brilliant. I use it all over the house. I'm also going to give the coffee table a wipe down. I'm going to be using the e-cloths for that too, and I'm also going to give the entertainment unit over there a dust. So I use bleach on the wooden furniture, and I just use like a microfiber cloth with that. And after that, I need to pack up my daughter's uniform. She's actually finished year 10 this year, and she's going to a different college that doesn't wear uniforms, so I need to pack up her uniform from high school and put that away so I can eventually put it on a website and try and sell it. And then I'm going to just do the vacuum cleaning around this sort of area, like the lounge room and the dining room and in the hallway bit. if you have been cleaning along with me, I'd love to hear what you got done during the video. Leave it in the comments down below. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. I'm just going to let you sit back and listen to the music now, or finish off what you're doing, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.